digging. That's a good one. Had a loop in my reel. I couldn't reel. It's a solid one. It's that like a 16 or something? Yeah, something like that, a 16 incher. I don't know if you can see that kink right there. I don't love that. So I'm gonna get off right here, off the bank, and I'm gonna take the time to re-spool this rod and reel, because in my mind it's worth it to have a peace of mind that I know that my line's 100% if I hook a giant. So I'm gonna take the 3 minutes to re-spool this rod and reel. Stop. Another decent dude. Probably 17, 16 and a half. There's a ton of fish around in here. I think a lot of them are just shad and crappie. There's no way, and I've caught two decent ones, you know, that 16 to 16 and a half ish, but I'm just kind of bouncing around in this little area, skipping this dude around, flipping, throwing a plug around, but I don't know, we'll see what happens. I think I might just fish around in here, kind of cycle through some baits, just kind of see what the deal is. I was really surprised I didn't get a bite right here out in front of this thing. But yeah, I'm just gonna fish around in here. Wind's blowing in. Definitely more fish in here. I do wish the water was like just slightly cleaner, because I think like a jerk bait or a big swim bait might be really good. And I might still throw the big swim bait around here in a little bit. that was a bite or not. Oh, little guy. So windy right here. It's hard to tell, you know, if it's a bite or what. About to start throwing that chatterbait. Not bad, dude. I don't know how big this one is. He's not very big. Really hard to fish right here with all this wind. Definitely some fish on this. Oh, bitch. Just had a bite right there. Big gizzard shad. That's what they're eating. Oh, I just had one eat it right at the boat.